Hello kids, and today we have 3 amazing games. So let's play our first game. Let's start. Hello kids, and today we're gonna solve the ostrich puzzle. Let's start. And look who we have. We have the Mr. Pig who's gonna help us. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, what we're gonna do, Mr. Pig? Yes, we're gonna turn around these puzzle pieces and try to find the ostrich. So let's do our first cube. Okay, so let's turn around and Mr. Pig gonna help us. Let's turn around and can you see the... Oh, okay, here is the leg of the ostrich. Okay, we found the first one. And let's continue with the next one. And let's try to look for the ostrich. And who is that? Yes, that's the ostrich. Great, we found another puzzle. And Mr. Pig gonna help us to find the puzzle number 3. Okay, which one should we take, Mr. Pig? This one. Great. And let's rotate and see if there is the ostrich. And here it is. Great. We found another puzzle piece of the ostrich. Great. So then let's take this puzzle piece, right, Mr. Pig? Yes, and then let's rotate. Where could be the ostrich? Can you see the ostrich? Please let me know if you see the ostrich. Yes, this is the ostrich. Great. Let's continue by searching the ostrich. Let's take this puzzle piece and rotate and see if there is the ostrich. Let's look closely. Let's ask Mr. Pig if this image belongs to ostrich. Yes, it belongs. So we're gonna take to our puzzle board and let's take the next one and rotate and see if there is the maybe some kind of wings or something, the part of the ostrich. And let's turn around and yes, here it is, you see the feathers of the ostrich. Great. We only left with 3 puzzles. So let's turn around and see. I think it's this one. What do you think? Should we take this, Mr. Pig? Yes, we should take this to our puzzle board. Great. And let's take the next one and rotate and see if there is the feathers of the ostrich. Or maybe the leg or maybe the face. Something that we can take to our puzzle board. It seems that this is from the ostrich puzzle. What do you think, Mr. Pig? And Mr. Pig examining the puzzle. Yes, this is from the ostrich puzzle. Great. And we have the last one. And let's rotate and see if there is some kind of image of the ostrich, right? What do you think, Mr. Pig? Is this one? Yes. So we found all our puzzles for the ostrich. But what should we do next, Mr. Pig? The next thing that we should do, we should start with the face. So with this one, right? We're gonna start with this one and we're gonna try to find other piece. So it's gonna be this and we should combine them together. And then we have also the legs, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine them together like this. Okay. And next one. Okay, we found 3. Great. So here we need like a body of the ostrich. So let's take maybe this one. Does it work? Maybe let's rotate. Maybe like this. Great. And then we need the neck of the ostrich. So it could be like this. And then we can connect our head to the body. Great. And we are left with 2 puzzle pieces. Okay, so We have this one and this one. Great! We've completed the ostrich puzzle. See you in the next video. Great! We just finished our first game. So let's continue with the second one. Let's go! Today we're gonna solve the snake puzzle. And look how happy Snake is. Let's mix these puzzle pieces. And what we're gonna do first, the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate each puzzle piece and try to find the part of the snake. So here you see there is the part of the snake, right? And when we found this, then we're gonna place it right here. Okay, so let's do with the next one. So let's rotate and turn around and see if there is some kind of part of the snake. Is this a part of the snake? What do you think? Yes. Okay, let's take this. And we're gonna take this here. Then take another one and rotate. And see if there is any part of the snake that we can take. So we're gonna rotate slowly. This seems to me like a part of the snake. Let's ask Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Yes. So we're gonna take this to our puzzle board. And then the next one. Okay, let's try to see if there is any part of the snake. And if you see the part of the snake, then let me know. Just say, I see it. Is this a snake? Yes, it's a snake. Let's take here. And then another one. Let's rotate and see if there is the snake. Can you spot the snake? Where is the snake? Yes, here is the snake. Great. So let's take that. Amazing. And then another one. Let's rotate and see if there is the blue color. Blue color. Is this a blue color to you? What do you think? Yes, let's take this one and place it here. We only left with 3 ones. So let's take another one and rotate. And if you see the blue color or snake, then let me know. Okay? If you see, then let me know. If this is snake, yes, it's another part of the snake. And here we have 2 left. So let's rotate and see if there is the snake. Is this a snake part? Yes, it's a snake part. Great. And the last one, which is gonna rotate slowly. And when you see any part of the snake, maybe blue color, maybe face or something, then let me know. Okay? This doesn't seem to have any snake part, but this one, if we look at this tree, it seems to be from this part. Let's try. Yes. So we're gonna take this puzzle to all our puzzle pieces. Okay, so right now we have puzzles. And if you look closely, then every puzzle piece has the blue color, right? So we're gonna start with the face of the snake. So here is this face, the eyes, and the mouth. So here is the neck of the face, you see? Okay, so let's continue. So let's take the bottom part and combine like this. So we just combined 3 puzzle pieces, right? So we need to find the puzzle pieces on this side and on this side. So we also have the trees. Here is the trees, right? So let's try to take this part of the tree and combine with this one, like this, and great. Okay, and then take these 2 parts and try to move it to the left side. Well done. And let's do the same with 2 other parts of the trees. Here is the part of the tree, and here is another part. So let's combine them together. Yes, well done. And then let's take them here and move to the right. Great, amazing. And then we have the left part and the right part. So we're gonna place the left part here and the right part down here. Great, we've completed the snake puzzle. See you in the next video. Oh wow, this second game was spectacular. Okay, so it's time for the game number 3. Let's go! And today we're gonna play the puzzle and we're gonna try to solve it. And look who we have. We have Mr. Pig that's gonna help us to solve this kangaroo puzzle. So let's start. First thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna mix those puzzles, right? So we have this. Okay, so to complete this puzzle, first thing that we need to take the cube, let's say this one, and we need to rotate till we see that maybe the leg of kangaroo, maybe the face of kangaroo, right? So some kind of the part of the kangaroo. So for example, this one, here we have the foot of the kangaroo. Great. So let's take the next one. Okay, and let's rotate and see what we have here, right? So let's look for that. And we have here the belly of the kangaroo. Great. So we are not gonna try right now to combine those puzzles together. We're just gonna try to find them. So this is the first that we found. So let's go with the next one. Okay, so is this a kangaroo? What do you think? I think no. Is this a kangaroo? No. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Is this maybe the part of the kangaroo that we need? Yes. Great. So let's take this puzzle piece and let's move it right here on the side. And let's continue with the next one. And let's rotate these puzzle pieces and see if we can find the kangaroo. And if we can't find the kangaroo, then we're gonna ask the Mr. Pig to help us. This seems to be pretty difficult to find. Where's the kangaroo? Maybe this is the part of the kangaroo puzzle. What do you think, Mr. Pig? Yes, great. Let's take this. And next one, Mr. Pig gonna help us. Okay. Which one? This one, Mr. Pig? Yes, we found another one puzzle piece. Amazing. So we already found 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. And let's take the next one. And what we have here? Let's try to find the kangaroo. Okay, this is the baby kangaroo, right? So it goes to our puzzle pile. And we only left with 3 ones that we need to examine. So we need to rotate them and see if there is the kangaroo. Who is that? Is this a kangaroo mama? Yes, this is kangaroo mama. Correct. Great. And let's take the next one and see. Is this the ear of the kangaroo mama? What do you think, guys? Yes, right. Let's take this to our puzzles. And we have the last one. And Mr. Pig, what do you think of the last one? Where is the kangaroo puzzle? This one. Great. So we're gonna take this one to our puzzle board. And what we have here is the puzzle pieces of the kangaroo. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the face, right? So the next one, we're gonna see there is the neck, right? So we need to connect face with the neck. So let's do it. Great, we just connected 2 puzzle pieces. And after this, we have the ear. And here we have the ear, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this together and connect like this. Amazing. And then let's take the next one. Which one we should take? I think it could be this one. So here's the baby kangaroo and here's the belly, right? It's called like a pocket. Great. And what we can do next is the legs, the foot, right? So we have the left foot and the right foot. So let's combine like this. Amazing. And the next one, again, I think it's a leg. Yes, and here is the tree house. And here is the bird, and I think it's from the tree house. Let's try it. Yes, amazing. And we have the last one. And where do you think we should place the last one? Yes, exactly. We should place the last one right here. So here we have the tail of the kangaroo. And here's the left leg, left foot, and right leg. Here is the baby kangaroo, the mama kangaroo, the bird, and the house of the kangaroos. Great, well done. See you in the next video. Wow, those 3 games were amazing and awesome. See you in the next video.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.